Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the Tech Hub Guide channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Tunnel VPN to improve your privacy and enjoy a more stable connection while browsing online. This app also adds an extra layer of security to your internet activity. Before we get started, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type sshudp.online and open the official website from the search results. Make sure you are accessing a trusted source before downloading any application. Once the website opens, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, then select Hindi, and after that tap on Free VPN. Now scroll through the list and locate Tunnel VPN, then tap on it to open the download page. Tap on Install to download the app, and once installed, tap on Open to launch it. After opening the app, you need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the Update button at the bottom, then select Online Update to update the app resources for better performance. Next, tap on the Network Selection option and search for UDP. From the available options, you can select All Country UDP, Mode 2, or any other UDP-supported network. If it doesn't work in your region, you can try another option from the list. After that, tap on the Server Selection option. You can choose a server manually or leave it on auto-select so the app can automatically select the best server for your location. Finally, tap on the Start button to begin the connection. As you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you can set up Tunnel VPN to improve your browsing experience. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.